Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kofi's class. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Today we are going to construct an ellipse using the rectangular method. We are going to construct an ellipse using rectangular method. So we have our rectangle here. Then you divide the rectangle into 4 parts. So the rectangle from this side to the other side here is 18 centimeters. So we measure 9 centimeters. That is the halfway. Then we draw our line like this. Then the other side is 12. This side is 18 centimeters. From here to here is 18 centimeters. So we divide this into 2. That is 9 centimeters each. And from this side to the other side here is 12 centimeters. So you divide the 12 into 2. Then you have 6 centimeters. So you measure 6 centimeters. Then you divide it. 6 centimeters is somewhere here. Yeah. Then you divide it. You draw your line. Good. So we have this. So we have this point to be 0.0. This point to be 0.0, and this point as well 0. Then you divide this line into 4 equal parts. And you know how to divide a line into a given number. We did this in our first lesson. So if you don't know how to divide a line into equal parts, you can go back to you can look at the channel, the first lesson. It was the first lesson we did. That is how to divide a line into a given number. You can learn from that video. So you draw something like this, a line here. Then with your compass, just mark. You are dividing into 4 equal parts. So just you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, and you have 4. Good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So take your compass. You know how to divide a line into a given number of parts. So from it's going this way, we are going to use from this point. Good. Good. So from here, you start from here and you draw your line to here. Good. So we have 0 here. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Then you do the same thing here. You divide. But as the distance from here to here is equal from here to here. So getting this, you can use your compass to measure this. Then you use to divide this So here also we have 1, 2, 3 with the same radius. Is the same here. And here as well. Good. So we have 1, 2, 3, and here we have 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to divide these two lines as well here for the distance from here to this side, and from here to here also we are going to do this as we did to this end. We are going to divide here into 4 equal parts. We are going to divide this line into 4 equal parts, and this side as well 4 equal parts. And we can use the same method, but we are going to show a lot of constructional details here. So we can we can divide this line just transfer to this side, because we can do this one here, but we are going to get a lot of constructional details to get the ellipse, and it will be very difficult for you to see the other lines, the construction lines. So I want to divide this line as well, because the distance from here to here is equal to from here to here. So when I divide this, I can just mark it and divide this line. So let's divide this line from here to here into 4 equal parts. And with the same method, we will just draw a line like this. It's from here. Then with our compass, we just mark 4 parts from here. Any radius, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So we have this. Then with your set squares, you put one underneath, and to set it, it's from here to this side. Let me set it well so that I can get equal as here. Then you draw your line like this. Just move the upper one like this. If you don't know how to do it, please, you can check from the first video, and it will help you to learn how to divide a line into equal parts. Then to the last one, then good. So we have this. So now we can just measure this. You can just measure one of it, and good. So we can divide this. And the distance from here to this side is equal to this. So use the same radius to mark here as well. Good. Then we have 1, 2, 3, and here we have 1, 2, 3. So now we start the construction. Now we are going to use these points. So first, from this point, you draw a line to, let me mark it well here. Yeah, we draw a line from this point to 3. You draw a line like this, then from 2 to the same point, you draw a line, then from 1 to the same point, you draw another line. Then from here, from 3 to this point, you draw a line. Then from 2 to the same point, you draw a line. Then from 1 to the same point, you draw a line. Then let's move to the other side. From the same point to 1, you draw your line. The same point to 2, you draw your line. The same point to 3, you draw your line. Then from this point here to 3, you draw your line. The same point to 2, you draw your line. Then to 1. So we have this. Then you move to the next section. Now, you're going to draw a line from the same point. From this point, you draw a line through this point, line 1. And when you draw a line from this point through 1, when it reaches line 1, then you stop at that point. So it's like this, from this point through point 1, from this point through point 1, from point 1 to line 1, then you stop. From the same point through 2 to line 2, then you stop. From the same point through point 3 to line 3, then you stop. Then you move to the other side. From here through line 1, through point 1, sorry. From here through 1 to line 1. The same point through line 2, point 2 to line 2. From here through point 3 to line 3, then you stop. Let's come to the other side of the right angle. The other side of the rectangle is here. The other side we have finished one part of the rectangle. So we are here, this side. From this point, you draw your line from the same point through point 1 to line 1. Then from here through point 2 to line 2. The same point through point 3 to line 3. Then let's move to the other side. From here, you draw a line from here through point 1 to line 1. The same point through point 2 to line 2. The same point through point 3 to line 3, and you stop. So we have this. So we are going to draw our ellipse, and the ellipse is we are going to draw it through these points. Let me mark here. I'm going to mark the ellipse through these points. Here, here, here. Yeah, it goes like that. Then here, then here, then here, then here. So with your pencil, you draw your line, your ellipse. It goes like this. It goes like this. First, you can just do a rough sketch. Later, then you draw it well. It goes like this. Through here. Then here it goes like this. The same way. It goes like this. Good. So let's draw it. After doing this, it goes like this. It's a free hand. It goes like this. Then from here, good. So now we have our ellipse. We have our ellipse, and this is always drawn with a free hand without an instrument. So you have to be careful. It shouldn't be this side should be a little bit have some curve here like this. So you have to be careful. It needs you have to be careful to get this point to go. Sometimes people try to draw it anyhow like this. When you get to the end, then you see they do something like this, and which is not it's not the right way. When you get it like this, it's the wrong way. It has to be round. It goes like this. So this is how to construct an ellipse using the rectangular method. It's not all that difficult. You have to go step by step. You first draw your rectangle, then you divide it into 4 parts, and you divide this side and you know how to divide a line into equal parts, and we have that in the first lesson in my videos, you can learn from there how to divide a line into equal parts. So I use that method to divide this line. Then I transfer the same measurement, because for the distance from here to here is equal to this from here to here. So use the same radius to divide these lines from here to here, and from here to here is the same as here. So you divide all these sides 4 equal parts, then you number from this point to be 0, 1, 2, 3. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here you divide this side also 4 equal parts. And you can see all these details. If this were to be here, that's why I use the method here, because the distance from here to here is equal to here. So you can use the method of dividing a straight line to give you number from this side. Then you transfer the measurement, or you measure the radius to divide these lines, and use that to divide this side as well. Then you draw a line from this point to 1, to 2, to 3, and the same way this side here. Then the next step, then you draw a line from this point. It goes through line 1, and when it touches this line, point 1, when it touches line 1, then you stop. Then from this point through point 2 to line 2, then you stop. From this point through point 3 to line 3, then you stop. Use the same method to this side. Then you go to the other side as well. You draw this. Then the meeting points of the lines be the points where you draw your ellipse. So you mark all these points. Then with your free hand, with your pencil, you just draw your ellipse. So this is how to construct an ellipse using the rectangular method. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.